Sabra Menoka say social media nti abawe bi ano akwakoyi ne ka na asade bi wakwa social media akwako posti na so ma Menoka say please for air to nsafre na me de emu cheche mu nyina ebo na update for ka ho so ne say enam fix the country ekoso amanfo ye be stage demo ye be no enam so ma ne Kwame A+ e de afutuo akwa ma fix the country fo ni nyina titiru ni abawe ba ko mu a edidindi efi odo kire ma he ne emu ye nyina obi na mu favor no obi ena mu favor no kebe ya munko nipa ne nchemu ne nkwa hyehemra munko hyehye adwuma emfama nipa no anchechemu ne so ewa ha se na me sha ase awet ensem a enne mede ema wa abayua bi ane din ene na Judith akoka nsem bi anase wakọ eye Twitter Facebook so he akoposti bibi mane ho aba asem na ensem age oyi eka nyina kiremu a picture bi ode ato wa me say tuo ageka baabi glasses bi apapai eye picture bi a eye ono ne papa fie na mre bi etwemu na police fo ebowura ho ekokun no otima sa police fo yi se omo ye police fo se omo ye police fo onim na ode tu dwa no ni nyina ye nsem a ekoso na nsen yi police brutality military brutality na no na picture nachi Ghana police fo so akohu no mu kire ma picture ya ga ya posti ye nso ye hu. In fact, ye call scene ho, ni na ye robbery bi a call so I know ye see one into aso in the eastern region mra police foko pie mu wo ho no omo ni robbers bi edisie ni achi bi emetuo kan bi mebi we nti na chese ga no say ye ku ni papa wo bra ni papa anya hwe a o chiri ma na ni papa hold evidence bi na say papa kra evidence bi a evidence no involve police fo bi ekoku nkofo bi e wo ba bi nti ye pa chire say ga ni papa am robber na nti e be hia say ga oni beba na wa baba yi nsem bi ano ediama Ghana police for na we ni nsama abaiwa na Judith ekotworo ye obro the pictures we to a year Twitter or say 29 June 2021 3 p.m. Trigger happy hoodlums parading as Ghana police officers went to my dad's house, shot and killed him because he had video evidence on his phone of the killing of 4 guys by the police 2 months ago. I am dumbfounded. The BOTF is going on in Ghana. Or be what is going on in Ghana? The Ghana flag at our pictures edasi. Ghana police for who sa post we so almost so retweet na commenter and as a caption almost so edema abaiwe the tweet and they said these pictures showed a place similar to the place at Intoso in the eastern region where police arrested armed robbers and retrieved several arms and ammunition, including about 3,000 AK-47 ammunitions. There was in the news from the police briefing at the CID on 30th June 2021. In the Ghana police vote my picture na again na post say ne papa ye shooting no ekuno because okra evidence efa Ghana police for ho amro makoku nkofofo bi no enye sa na tie sa same picture na similar place no o makoho no want to so a involve robbery bi e call so na police for arresting nkofo bi sign so efa AK-47 bi ene na me bi ekeke ka ho a pobi nso ewu on the spot. And so why ena Ghana police for eko abaiwa ni post no o posti ye no ena omoko comment ya na so omo reply no with this question. Omo say the man who shot one of the officers was able to shoot the police. Does that mean your father was the armed robber who was shot by the police? You at a real Najwa Judith should answer questions from the police. And on Ghana for chima eradia sembe kwe social media de beba. Social media beko kofa semaba. Ubeko nkra na geyi ni ekwaso police and military no see o mame so me picture bi na me post bi anya I'm being a citizen not a spectator. Menka bibi ni ehu ni ekwaso mako. Nti sege ne beko police station akoyi nsem ya no so onko de. Ono ankasa ni post a ko make ye ewo ye Twitter enene akwakoyi ne car na asakoyi kakasiese ede amano. Na me free eno so de a ye papa anaye bra Kwame A+ se ne ye nyina ye nim no ewo Ghana ha ode nsem bia betujo a enche ne video de bechewa beti na according to Kwame A+ no ayese Ghana ha anase wiasema ewo mi obi huhu na obi akeka ne free dent no kasa mo a moti social media na masha se fix the country sabe mahunyansa de mahu se ne ma nkoyie mu de mo ho agim eye nanso adwuma mu ye nyina no mu ye juma amobi ababe enjoy adentina kwam A+ ekasa according to A+, fix the country #amaye musibu baye demonstration mu ye nyina nipa ba ko pe ene Ghana ha mu ye dia favor no na ye hwan na mu di favor no enye obi ase the former president John Dramani Mahama because ade amu ye youth bebre na abuefu party nti eba ne sa 2024 yekoto oba yekoto etia MPP yeto tia MPP a hwan na yeto ama na yekoto ama NDC enu nti no de futuo ama fix the country for titu ni efia odo se ebe ya ewra kwa na kwahia former president John Dramani Mahama fa wade srede etu nanim kire se papa isi ade ayeye in favor of you wo ba anase election do won ye beto ama because ni aye ma ehu ene ye bufu akwose Ghana fa kumamu nti wa na ye kokoto ma nti sa ade a we ene ye pe ade ayeye a e favor we ye nyame adom na aba power ye ma yen anase wo de ma ye seat ni be ye mienu e wa parliament na ye represent Ghanaian people na say the youth na bibie ni a etimi edi nsa woso ena kwa me A+ essence u kire mu a ye hwe emre bi etwemu bibi e course na say protest bi e course na no ye occupy Ghana na enye MPP for na hye ase de nkofo bi na hye ase that time no MPP for do mu hu wura mu ye hwe papa Kenofori atamo ne omo obodi be omo de mu hu wura mu be favor MPP menu ma MPP timi ba power enu echi ye hwe eye kumipreko a enu so nye MPP na hye ase nenso MPP for do mu hu wura mu ama ebeye se na MPP for ete Ghana for na se wi echiri yekoto aba ama MPP nenso fix the country ya ekwaso yi instead of NDC so mu de mu be wura mu ana say instead NDC for ebegie ginem no maka sampa this country need to be fixed e was here fixing no matiada because mama abronye ehunu na mo se mo na mo ye mo na mo yenti mu show na mo ti echire enti mo sa meje mfini mo maka mo bo se mo kasanso mu show se Ghana for be ka se ana say before be ka se ye kan ye you can say fix the country NDC for na shase and so wasamo ye na favor mankasa nti nsem odi tu dwane de o kire mu a mo fix the country for no nyansa aba mutirim but akakakara muntu anamo munko share the former president John Dramani Mahama mo fa mo ha wungu na nim table no so munchiche mu papa wo ba say ne epese ne because ade ye no e favor wo ye ni nyina e de otan e na eba beto the new patriotic party onu so A+ no nim se onu adwuma no betimi aye but onkoje ne hu anim enkoye bibi na party bi emba embefa enuonyam no anase sika no enkonkodi nsem onu so e de tu dwa no ebinie
nti wo ka to se me no de free ye ne ko onkoje correct obi mu hono na ye tie no then na wo be ye public action be this eso kwa wu se gold wo wu se timber wo Unu say Ghana bibie bi o ho man we him.
Yeah.
Adie ni Ghana ye nyansa.
Yeah, good rivers. We have good lands.
Ye bibie bi wo kwa.
Ye bibie bi wo kwa.
Ye na say abane champion start so si kwa wo fofora.
Oh, it was there. So it was there. And it's a kwa no Ghana. Bibie bi wo Ghana and said they o kan nyansa pe na aka Ghana because I mean, sa condition ni mo say no. Sir, a die we say you can replicate the same thing in Congo.
Na me na nkasa kra no na na nim se no ye na de.
So,
put me check the bibie bi, check gold, check diamond, check timber box I be area no manage me for some more guys.
I don't think say wa my nyansa. I don't know
why omo mu diso no. Ni pa na wo me ni de nyansa de omo me na chese omo mu diso no. Because that selected Jimmy for some more.
And I also you know why I disagree with you. Obi can say on the 7th day when God was resting, no? And then but look at this. And Penifone was the same. Kwame 30 years ago they were young people. And the leaders today 30 years ago. Bro. At the end they need partner leaders.
Bro, made them see the video. Me to member on Facebook and your live video. And the Otun for them.
Oh, thank you.
Me to me be a live video and the cool man here. Me cool man here. Me buno pa. Me to me be a live video. Say me be cassette here. Chief man. Me yes I. Akufo Addo. John Mahama. Yaran kofo be cassette. Family A+. We did the Akufo Addo that me ye be that. If I say the president is inconsistent. So who feel say you can if I say the president is dishonest, who feel say you can That is how you're understanding.
If you think that president is a liar,
It's a liar.
You can prove that he is a liar.
And you think that
that's
that's
an
a
insult, yeah.
Me, I will never. But I'm going to do a live video. I want to talk to Otunfo. Catch us an ane. You come and factor some about you. Because me, they will go on.
And for one, son of
Or Queen Elizabeth, near our bro from the back, and the back and say, Yahin, some who here. As one of Queen Elizabeth, and none air your wedding. Look, you know, send on young mambre. It's a mission support you for that. Look, for my getting an end fair. Yes, she had the animal. It is a Queen Elizabeth, known to me, your Modiano, and the whole world you would use Mobiaga. I will see a promoting and the promoting Kotoko Haas. Oh, yeah. Promoting,
I really like it.
I just want to it has to go.
I'll be honest with you, when because many Nana Abba and Namwakra, I was asking no social media. Why is it that say young Ghana for now
not Chelsea, but
Manchester, not Manchester, and Chelsea, no ball, Mama, you bought in each other. So, and your ball for around here. Is you and your question,
but Okone has a couple last weekend, Okone had ball. Now Ronaldo, not Portugal, any Portugal, no mind a boy, Italy.
I can't remember the
what big match the whole Ghana not be any. You come so much in the point hearts were playing. It know me anything Ghanaian me support it.
It's very important.
I was say protect your culture. It's in the to me who Otunfo in India. Yet to me who chief imam in India. But
the name
but also Otunfo. Send you to me. The close down Kumasi ye. See it close down Kumasi near your
point. No, yeah,
Brown. Yeah. And the
come
see me one live video by ye. So would you to Guatemala, then open Emma? Otunfo is so powerful. So let Otunfo know that we support you. You have to change Kumasi. The two gold wash out for over 150 years.
Would they just start with Kumasi?
No.
So he himself will actually be able to be able to make demands.
Yes, make demands. For development. No two for the community of Kumasi. I buy the one Ghana like I said, or two for say, a month, 2 months, you have to fix all the roads of Bekasa 1 year. It's 1 year. Not just a problem, but yet to me, in fact, in the year you can't send and not there, may support you said they when I will maybe support for the videos. Because without them, Ghana they also near the chill. The start of Abuja from on keeping the fire burning. Fire. But I don't support you to insult. No. I don't support you to insult Chief Imam. No. Because young mom sometime. Let them know that
we support
you and you have to make this work. Who you are to Kumasi? Mind you, the pressure to our minds. If you say, let's use Otunfo to change Kumasi.
Yeah, I agree.
Politics, Sani, Yeno. Akufo-Addo na umpa na. Pe obi na for bono. Politics is a different ball game.
Yeah.
Me see so kete am born no. Me so na me keke yo. Me born yo am say kwesi brat be a good man. Kweku ba ko do a good man. Eye ni na ya sa. That mean bro, no, I was that time when I go school and go political. I mean go a president, a public administration. It has because the whole Ghana no make that town here. I was saying just space. To be a problem on number one. Sanya politics no. It is some people look, some of us were born politicians.
You have to understand the dynamics of this whole game, you know what I mean? You have to understand the dynamics. Yeah, because
if you don't understand the dynamics,
it won't work. Because I've had people call me and say, oh Nancy, I said Kwame plus why quiet too much? And TPP, and I said, it's not about the did no. And Kofobi say you did it.
Look, as we speak, like me a video, I'm cutting us. Listen, fix the country, they didn't have way. Shatawale the country, so we illiterate because you are just making noise. I know for a fact that OMCs in Ghana owe government 600 million.
Wow.
You talk about let's close down OMCs, oil marketing companies. To say we who sell, these companies owe government 600 million.
Wow. Wow.
There is a company called G&G. Only for the 24 million.
Wow.
When you are saying, shall we fix the country? Let's fix the country, go and take the money from G&G. Close it down. Who owns G&G? And it's not just G&G. A lot of them, and Kevin Taylor was talking about it. And you go to Kevin Taylor's video, and somebody is insulting Kevin Taylor.
Yes, sir.
You don't even know that Ghana has been decentralized and we are practicing local government. Why must we still count house to house? Ya masika e dia ma tefa so onye national ID. Senko sa sika no dey national ID no. Senko oye national identification district offices. And no ma every district dia district assembly ma obi ID. And how can you spend 500 million for kind of know the fact, don't be an illiterate and just shout fix the country. Fix what the fuck do you want to be fixed? You don't even understand the facts on the ground. You are just making noise. And that is what Shatawale is telling you. You don't know what you're talking about. And Shatawale said that they are educated. You are not even educated. You are very ignorant. You don't know. You are just shouting. Deal with the issues. There are 15 members of every unit committee. 10 appointed, 10 elected, 5 appointed. Every Ghana, Sahoka Krana Yatu Abano, polling station area. There are 2 units. Each unit has 15 people representing government there. Wow. Which means that there are 30 people in that small area. And you are still shouting, fix what? They are there in that area. Those 30 people in that small police station area don't know how many people were born, don't know how many people died. So that after 10 years, we have to put so much money together to count. Why can't those people give that information? And it is in the Constitution, Article 240, decentralization and local government. Go and read. People don't read, they just make noise. Come on, man. Bra, your bank can ask hustlers over here. Bra, me local government act. I can close my eye and give and tell you everything that's in the local government act. Yes. Bra, me me ma can idea.
Because I think
okay. I was just making noise. But when I went to Gimpa and I started getting educated, I realized that, really? I have studied negotiation skills at the University of Ghana Business School. Dr. Adam, or Chairman, wow, don't just make noise. Understand the facts.
That's what said. We actually don't understand, the psychology behind any particular issue. Now, you now be able to come up with a suitable solution.
And I'm going to be some PhD or something. I'm saying no. That yes, I be happy. Ye na ye be de keke. Obia say adie na say. Then me video I told you what does it take to create a metropolitan assembly in Ghana? What does it take to create a municipal assembly? What does it take to create a district assembly? Under the district, what do we have? Under the metropolitan, look, what are the smallest units? Before you create an area as a metropolitan area, the Constitution states clearly that you have to have 250,000 people living in that area. When it comes to metropolitan, it has to be 95,000. When it comes to district assembly, it has to be 75,000. And apart from that, the area should be able to be economically viable, to be able to create, sustain themselves. At the same time, the district assembly should be able to have its own governance. So this district assembly must have a speaker. The speaker is called a presiding member. Every electoral area must have a representation. The person must speak to the people in the area and bring their concerns to the district assembly. Look, the Local Government Act is a very beautiful policy, act, but you don't understand You don't understand. You don't want to learn. You just want to shout. How can you? And before, if you don't understand governance and you are not in there, you can't solve the problem. I could follow see from the neck. Yeah, the Ghana man said, "Masa, not to talk about."
Oh yeah.
Right. Mommy, I'm kind of correct.
Yeah.
And you know, young support you. Young swing young elevate you to some level. Said, "But yeah, guy, a baby, as you say, mommy and your mind, me and you woman will be able to say, you woman." It's not just about making noise.
I agree. The fool said, what I seen is said, I fool said, young people have detached themselves from leadership in Africa for a very long time. You know, leadership has never been a thing for young people in Africa.
No, bro, it's not true.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, but now we can't send the actual. Yeah, but now we can't send the actual. What is the president doing this thing?
I mean, not president, you know, he took over the country at 32.
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, this guy, what's his name? Sierra Leone. Valentine's Tracer. Who is he? 25.
Yeah, that guy was very young.
Valentine's Tracer, 25. Ron is very president.
And I will say, you know, they came through the military.
And they had the power to tell Rollins for 3 years, not catching the whole Ghana, I said, Opianda. For 3 years, to catch the whole Ghana, said, Opianda. And now the Opianda was all.
And that was exactly what I was. This conversation I was having with one of my friends in the UK said, Rollins really missed that opportunity.
No, Rollins for 90 years, 32 years will be this. Rollins be a president. The oldest person in his government, we are Fino, the friend of Sofo Comfort Damwa.
Maybe
he was 52 years there.
Yeah,
and he was part of the PNDC.
Yeah, we can't confirm it.
Bruh, yeah. He came with, and I think that the oldest person was Justice D.F.
Yeah, D.F. was quite old.
Yes. D.F. Annan was quite old.
So
not a Catholic bishop. And not started African mission. The Ghana African mission, no, you also for comfort and one. The guy who said that we not is
yeah. And it's quite sad because some 19 years this man could have transformed Ghana.
We need to be watching the PV or Benny or boys, young guys, they couldn't do nothing. Then you buy your boy, who see and prepare. Make President Kufuor and saying, brother, Jai, I went to President Kufuor, I went to him in the house. We sat down. President Kufuor spoke like 1 hour. Kwame, democracy now when you so ye. Na dachi, nipa ba could be PM or but some mine. Moye de no, moye no money tete ho. And yes, sir, moye na akwabi petu. The moye de na crew or my no tension abemo. No more for two, no dear you cool, no what's not so obviously a book.
Yeah.
Until I make a traffic in the country for the say. Oh, yeah, your Mahama literature is a good cheat. Yeah. We pursue 2 people, no problem. But make sure that Don Mahama Orban obey Drew Hono. Not still you to know power I was giving you, and then yet just you to the new generation of youthful. Yes.
Yeah.
I just ask for videos. Use all the Kakwame Plus. Maybe if you have, bro, my catch up my channel. If you have me call Dallas, Dallas I me call California, California me call Las Vegas. If I me call Ghana, Ghana. The next week me call London. Right? Me problem with that. Chia. If you can't answer no more tia, and from home. And now you're saying the youth must take over youth. But defense minister, and you have been ready 41 or 44. But defense minister, obey the defense minister, no unit 30s.
Who's the defense minister?
Need to on your obey the defense minister Ghana, no need 30 something.
Is he
39 or so?
Is he a military guy?
No. Abaya youth for be
quite a few.
Then I'm here. Abuja Boya, Minister for Natural Resources and Wine. Asansu, on your Minister for West Housing. Mahama, a Camille's time, no, could you talk a black one for super ministers? Agent what ministers. That
I didn't want to say,
the youth, know, Ghana is being a youth. So, if you're talking about youth, it should be a new generation
of thinkers.
Yes.
Of thinkers.
Youthful people are more being a
right. You're right. Patrick Bois, I didn't want to say, when say, you know, they're actually my genius. Yeah, quite young. Yeah, part is my classmate, but I didn't want is my genius. Yeah, and then they're all in there, but it's you're right. A whole new generation of thinkers, you know, a whole new generation of thinkers because when you look at how I mean the state of our nations in Africa over 60 years of independence and some of the basic challenges that we have now. It's sad. I mean, because
what kind of want it? I somehow can't be called you. Maybe can't for want to meet tomorrow. Oh, maybe I'm maybe no per se. Come as soon as many grass take care way in this annual man. But maybe make me a kind of free because bro, 2016, me not for the what's a king hotel no be any hole. I mean, no.
I know.
Yeah, it's me. I don't need a hope. Yeah, bro. 2008, 13 years ago, Minister of Florida and Finance Minister, any Nana Poko change nature, Nana Poko. You know, Cochibia Papa, the Cochibia Papa Manago. You back to a cannibal 2 years. No, be any trade. Boko to Boko. Cannot say plus we win election, Mama will be back said, and then I will hear. China, if it be up, but never be any 2016, Tama Minute Tanya organized a plan for the whole campaign. No be any hole. Tama Minute and Nado never Tanya Yakoto Suga Ho Suga Copeno. No be any hole. The Media may work and we are winning a problem. I have to maybe Yari and Neck here catching another A plus with your emergency at the headquarters of the family. Yeah, maybe or said, look at which I prefer to be here. Now, what Jimmy? What Jimmy? We are a pastor on how this can do. Now, me catch it or say, I could put a minimum panel about me as a song, and I will say, hey, one tear say, if you pay Jimmy, tell her Bibini, and I can go after Bibini, Jimmy, catch a bunny on you. Jimmy say, I could put a welcome my name. I could follow you, opinion, let's one country gonna put us a breaking his campaign.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I saw that. Now, me catch us on mining queen, Mummy, and ya, who's also who wake up. A boy.
It's sad. It's really sad. It's but you know, like I say, continue speaking. Ever toss from that. You know, ever toss from. It's not going to take. It's not going to take overnight, but I'm a thought because like I said, you know, watching some of the videos and you know people just making references to some of the things that you've said in the past that people were not paying attention. I feel that when they're pursuing casa, see, I said, you know, with the access of the internet, okay, so now and the home for the rest of it. Of lifetime, maybe even better. But I also believe that in the those that are pushing back, they are not really the game changers. Game changers need a credit, and you know the game changers will have to understand that there are people that are creating now, and then there are other you know people that want to see change in Ghana doing. A bedroom baby, some people are just going to be following because they're just followers. Why do you think none of them have been able to start anything? Then they become a say, I don't care if you don't like A-Glass, I don't care if you don't like Evan Taylor, I don't care if you don't like any other person. Start something on your own. Have you started anything? So when Jimmy Pa said you're ready for the whole year, the question is, what are you doing? Have you started anything? the media are all about support. Say a Kevin Taylor, say a one.
Jonas.
It is a media misses support so now they support to say a crime be a before the able to say is any means necessary. Right? It will be a strategy, let's bring it all together. All these forces that are coming together, especially for the diaspora, trust me, it all come together for good. One day, a leader will emerge. You know, a leader will emerge out of it. And you know, young people, the young people are the ones that I'm very concerned about. Not the older folks. Say, Momo, Famu, and yet the idea could the last 30, 40 years, and could you. So what to Ghana? Now say you say Ghana is a good country. I know Ghana is not a good country.
I won't tell you.
So I say,
and can for because was bienta.
You know, Ghana is not a great country like that. If you want to inquire, and I say Ghana is a great country. No, Ghana is not a great country. No, what is great about the place? So be on board, so be a young thing. But you don't have electricity. You don't have good drinking water. You have to pay to shit.
That be all pay to shit no problem. What up your water? 50 pesos. We you so 3 times. What you so back could be 50. Uno means 50 pesos. We the you so 20 pesos cry. Let us uno means so back could be what you say 60. What about 10?
It's a Paul who has some for doing so. And also, who podcast some I was for they began and yes, so what to choir over so we are not trying to obviously we can compare, but we are not expecting say Ghana better than it maybe this America overnight. But all we are saying is that it has to start from somewhere. The can say if we say JJ Wallace, it taking over the country since 1981, I was for or mining code and new code and for those that keep saying, say, Ghana is a peaceful country, Ghana is not a peaceful country. Ghana is a place where people are not allowed to voice their opinion. But if you happen to allow them, they will start shaking something. Ghana is not a peaceful. Ghana is on a time bomb. Ghana, trust me, this day is going to come and this is going to blow up in all of us, our faces. And you know, Ghana for the attempt of Ghana for children could do baby and they have no choice but to fight.
Liberia, no open DJ will be
like one of the pay DJ Liberia for Liberia party. And so when push came to shove, they fought. And you know, Mama me and Ghana, it's not now. Let's push for change. You know, let's let's rally for with a third force to really deal with this NPP NDC issue, because the last 40 years, now I'm saying, Rollins by 40 years about Kwame 40 years with 1981. Let me apply 40 years now. The same for me. A miracle. A miracle.
When's been ready for
40 years, Kwame. 40 years old. I'm missing wow. Mommy has an NKE and the idea they call NPP near Nisakaba no be. It's not benefiting anybody.
What will happen? John Mahama and every mini election. Did they end this time? I have governor. That's how it's going to be. That's how it's going to be. Did that we at the end of the day, John Mahama very in election. No one starts another day. Because also buy a wound fee. Hey, and I'm catch you can send your mommy and boom. Yeah, they didn't know. Okay, John. Is it will win election there? How will stand? They be a woman or honor your person of the mind. NDC instant or catch your woman as someone to mind. Make concessions. Unimians and change Jewish for. Jewish for 7 different parties. Abum. Challenge money and boom Netanyahu. Oma bometu. So me made president, prime minister 2 years. Me we also be we are also be. Omu na come habo. Na say we see we dey Ghana. Unim say dey na we am. Edenya John Mahama be win election in 2024. It will not only nyansa say fix the country, any TPP, any wine, any boom or someone. Boom, de bia wo ni yeba umia. Na ba umia yes, usu election to me really. And the other thing and the one when you among Cambo. Na be media.
We'll get there.
Now the a friend 1 minute to be a Remy Martin there, they are with
we'll get there. We'll get there. The issues, no, the issues, no, sorry.
Walk it where you are now, here for the bed.
We'll get there.
I'm sure who are you?
I'll
say a cool high. But I didn't remember some cool high. Safari to Ghana.
Oh, sir.
Farid to Ghana. Farid to Ghana. It's some got to Ghana.
Oh, I got to Ghana now. Who is listening to
it's a China $4. Right.
You won't be happy with it.
I'm going to say driver $4 now.
We can drive, I am fly.
I'm flying for the try $4. If $1 two straight to California. Two. But what the idea video there? Come on. Come on. That's our boss in Ghana. Obi so you start the video is obi so commenting fufu sa fufu yes we know for ali afi na abo one akobotu ntino ya koda Frank a boss says Ghana